Hello, today I will cover maximum and minimum distance of a point from the circle. Okay, so there are two cases. One is the point can be belonging to circle and can outside. Second case is outside of the circle. Okay, first one, case one, when the point is belonging to circle. Okay, assume this is our circle. Take any point P. Okay, then I have to find the maximum and minimum distance of a point from the circle. Okay, I can draw a one diameter from which passes through this P point. I can draw. Okay, obviously this is our center. Okay, now what is the maximum distance from P to the straight line? Just tell me. This should be from here P2, this take as A, B, and center C. Okay. Now tell me, PA is the maximum distance from the point P to the circle. Yes, okay. So the maximum distance is uh, PA, this distance. Okay. And then tell me what is the minimum distance from the point P to the circle. The minimum distance should be equal to PB. Okay. And PA I can write the radius of the circle. Assume the radius of the circle is R. Okay. R plus PC I can write. Okay. And PB what? R minus PC. Okay. This is when P belonging to the circle. Now case 2. Case 2 is when P is outside the circle. Take this as a circle. Okay. P assume here. Okay. So I can draw a one diameter uh, which passes through P. Okay. This is our center C and this is A. This is assume B. Then tell me what is the maximum distance from the point P to the end to the circle. This given circle. The maximum distance should be from here to here. Okay, that means PB. The maximum distance should be equal to PB, and also PB I can write 2R plus AP. Okay, or I can also write BC plus, that means, sorry, not replace BC I can write R plus CP. Okay, and what is the minimum distance for this case? Minimum distance should be this distance. Okay, AP. AP should be our minimum distance, or I can write uh, whatever you can write here, PC minus R. This is our minimum distance. Okay, I think concept clear. Now take one questions. And ant moves on the curves. Okay, first this is a whole square, that means x square plus y square equal to 9. This is one circle equations. I am drawing this. This is x square plus y square equal to 9. This is my circle equation. Second circle equation, x plus 10 whole square plus y square equal to 16. Assume this is here. Okay, x plus 10 whole square plus y square equal to 16. This is my second circle equation. Now a ant moves on the curves. Here assume whatever, I don't know, but here that ant is moving in on that circle. Okay, second ant moving, assume moving here, B, sorry, A2, assume name is A2, is moving. Okay, now find the minimum and maximum distance between the two ants. Okay, then now tell me when means where that position should be give maxima distance. Okay, just observe one thing. I can draw one diameter, here also diameter line. Okay, if A1 came here, this point, when A2 came to this point, then I can say that the distance between A1 and A2 should be maximized. Yes or not? If A1 is here and A2 is here, that distance as is not maximized because this distance is bigger than this distance. Okay, so when A1 consider or take these positions here and A2 take these positions A2, then I can say that that distance should be maximized. Okay, when the distance should be minimized, when a1 take positions here, a2 take positions here, then I can say that the distance between a1 and a2 is minimized. Clear? So now tell me what is the radius of that first one circle. This is 0 comma 0. Okay, what is the radius of this circle? Maybe minus 10 comma 0. Okay, now tell me, I have to find the maximum between a1 and a2. a1 a2, what will be our distance? This total distance, this total distance. So how to calculate? First calculate the radius of this circle. The radius of this circle is r1 equal to 3. Radius of this circle is r2 equal to 4. Okay. Now tell me one thing. What is the distance between these two center of that circle? The distance formula is, I can write C1 here and C2 here. C1, C2 equal to square root of, I can write 10 whole square plus 0 square. Answer will come 10. Okay. From C1 to C2 is 10, and I have to find the distance of A1, A2 from here to here. Okay, this is, I can write AC1, A1 C1 plus C1 C2 plus C2 A2. AC1 value what? 3. This is equal to radius plus C1 C2 10 and C2 A2 what? 4. So the maximum distance is 17. Now find the minimum distance between A1 and A2. That means this distance. Okay. Now tell me, this is updated, assume updated A1 A2. So minimum distance should be equal to A1 updated A2 equal to, I can write C1 C2 minus CA1 updated minus C2 A2 updated. Okay, that means I have to remove this distance as the distance from C1 C2. So C1 C2 what? 10. C1 A1 means what? The radius of the first circle. This is 3. And C2 A1 means radius of the second circle. That radius is 4. That means 3 is our minimum distance. This clear? Okay. Now next topic is position of a line with respect to circle. Okay. There are three type of cases. First case 1, the line can be outside of the circle. Here circle. Second case, the line which touches our circle. Okay, this is case 2. And case 3 what? Case 3, that the line cut our circle. These cases. Okay, now observe one things. This our center for every each cases. Okay, if I find the distance from the center to the line, I can find, okay, easily. Okay, if I assume the distance is d, the distance from which is our center for sorry, from center to straight line. Okay, I am assuming d is the distance between center and straight line. Clear? Okay, case 1. Case 1 says that the line is outside our circle. That means the radius of the circle is less than, should be d. Just tell me yes or not. Okay, that means from this distance should be greater than with radius. Okay, second case. Second case, observe here. The radius is equal to that distance. Case 2, for case 2, I can write r equal to d. Okay, now case 3. Case 3, look here. The line is cutted with means cutted our circle. That means this distance is smaller than the radius. Then I can write r is greater than d. There are three cases. Okay, this you can remember, and whenever problem will come, then you can solve. Okay, easily. The now next topic, image of the circle in the line mirror. Okay, assume here is my circle here. Okay, and line is here. Okay, so what is the image equation of that circle? assuming this circle with center alpha comma beta whatever and radius is r. This line equation lx plus my plus n equal to 0. Now I have to find the circle equations which is mirror image by this straight line. Okay, so what will be the radius? Radius always same. Now I have to find the center of this circle. Okay, now one things, I will take some questions, not one question. Using these questions I can understand the full concept. Okay, now look here. First circle equation is given: x square plus y square plus 16x minus 24y plus 183 equal to 0. Then what is the our center of this circle? Center of this circle is equal to minus g minus f, that means minus 8 comma 12. This is my center of the given circle. This take here, this is our circle with center minus 8 comma 12. What is the radius? Radius should be square root of minus 8 whole square plus 12 square minus 183. This should be 64 plus 144 minus 183. Okay, just calculate. 1 minute, I have to calculate also. 64 plus 144 minus 183, 25. Okay, this should be, will come 5 here. That means the radius is 5. Okay, now this circle we also have radius 5, but I have to find the center. This line equation is what? 4x plus 7y plus 13 equal to 0. Now tell me one thing. From here to here, this should be the middle point. Okay, take alpha comma beta here. I can write alpha minus 8 by 2. What will be the coordinate of this? I am finding beta plus 12 by 2. This should be our coordinate of this C point. This name as A, this name as B. That means this coordinate of C must be satisfied a line equation. Then I can put the C value with this line equation. 4 of alpha minus 8 by 2 plus 7 of beta plus 12 by 2 plus 13 equal to 0. This become 2 alpha minus 16 plus 7 beta by 2 plus 42 maybe. Okay, plus 13 equal to 0. This becomes, okay, as it is, no, I can simplify. 2 alpha plus 7 beta by 2, this becomes minus 3, that means plus 39 equal to 0. Clear? Now observe one things here. This the slope of this A and B is perpendicular with this straight line. Yes. So find the slope of AB. Next step, slope of AB is equal to beta minus 12 by alpha plus 8. This is the slope of AB, and slope of the straight line. Slope of straight line is equal to, if I arrange, then that becomes minus 4 by 7. Minus 4 by 7. Okay, since the AB and straight line is perpendicular to each other, then I can write slope of beta minus 12 by alpha plus 8 multiply with minus 4 by 7 equal to minus 1. This is the perpendicular slope condition. Okay, minus should be cutted here, and then I can write 4 beta minus 48 equal to 7 alpha plus 56. Then 4 beta minus 7 alpha equal to, that should be 4 104 104. Okay, If you solve these two equations, this one and these two, you can get alpha beta value. Okay, after solving 1 and 2, I can means I am writing the answer. Mm, we can get alpha comma beta value is equal to that should be maybe minus 16 minus 2. This should be your answer. You can check and verify 1 and 2.